So again, welcome to our channel Crypto Market. Now we have to discuss today. There is about Berger coin. There is the one of the most huge investment gaining profitable coin on 3rd June. So this is the most advantageous coin to invest in today's date. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, then definitely you will be look for the Berger coin. Okay, it is your own personal choice, but my opinion, if I see some graph, then you see that because at first we have to tell about it. There is a rate, there is $18.561 for each coin, and in rupees 1351 rupees for every coin you will be buy that coin. In one coin rupees is $18.456. So if you see that graph, then trend will be in decreasing order, and there is decreasing order. Okay, and then second trend will be, you seen that in graph, there is this graph will be last 3 months graph. In every upper U curve will be shown, then definitely that value will be increase, and then down U curve shown, then definitely there is value will be decreasing. Again upper U curve, then value will be increasing, and then again down U curve, then value will be decreasing. Now you will be find that upper U curve. So it is the best time to you invest in the Berger coin, and definitely within 1 to 2 to 3 days, if this value will be come around 28 to 30 rupees, then definitely you will be sell it. There is the most beneficial if you invest in it and purchase it in 18 point approximately 18.457 dollar each, and you will be sell it in $30 approximately, then that is really more than 60 to 70% profit you will be gain in in just 1 week. If you please, I am also requesting this, if you buy a Berger coin, then definitely you will wait for a 1 to 2 week to come up to $30. Okay, then you sell it, then definitely you will be in the profitable marginal profit margin. If you also seen that at here 4 hour or 15-minute curve. Okay, 15-minute curve also I will be shown to you. In this curve, in every 15 minutes you seen that every 15 minutes you seen that there is a graph will be definitely in upper direction. So it is the best time to you will be invest in it, and definitely it will be reach up to $30. Okay, $30 definitely it will be reach. So it is the best time to you will invest in it. Okay, further I am suggesting you that it is your personal opinion to in which coin you will be investing or not. Okay, it is your personal opinion. This is my suggestion for you only, but I am not suggesting that you will be investing on my behalf. It is your personal suggestion, personal opinion, and you also investing before in any cryptocurrency, you will be find out what is her project. It is a good project, and its volume will be is also much higher. It's a highest 24 last 24 hour higher value will be 20.613, and lower will be value will be 12.562 rupees. Okay, today's 24 hour 24 last in 24 hours there is from 12.5 to it will be reach up to $20.6. There is a $8 profit in every coin will be you seen in that. Okay, this is the okay, if you want to invest in Berger coin, then definitely Berger coin, then definitely you will be go through the Wajirex. If you from the India, then definitely go from the Wajirex exchange. You will be find out that Wajirex link from description box link. And if you want to outside from India, then definitely come buy this coin from the Binance exchange, which also available on my description box link. So thank you for watching this videos, friends, and if you don't subscribe, if you yet not subscribe, then please subscribe my channel to and like this video to if any video will become in future, then definitely it will be come to you. So thank you for watching this video, friend.